हमारा एक्चुअल बिजनेस क्या है, व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ निश विच वी प्रोवाइड टू आवर क्लाइंट्स.
We started building customized front-end trading solutions for high-volume traders, I would say.
सर करंटली हमारे कितने रिटेल इंस्टीट्यूशनल मोटा मोटी कस्टमर्स होंगे, कितने कस्टमर्स को हम लोग केटर करते हैं?
Our product is also not for mass retail. It's not a off-the-shelf mass retail product. It's a very focused product.
Typically, how is the revenue booked by the company?
So most of the billings are divided in two parts. One is the customization that is required. It is one time only, mostly. And then the maintenance and support system.
ऐसा क्या हम अलग करते हैं दूसरों के कंपैरिजन में?
We are not offering a standard product. So we don't have a fixed off-the-shelf product. That is the biggest differentiator.
Welcome friends, my name is Avinash Gorakshakar and I welcome all of you again to another interesting episode of Connexia High Flyers. Friends, as all episodes, people are aware, we try to introduce emerging companies from emerging sectors and talk to the promoters and the top managements of such companies. We come across various businesses, talk to the promoters, the top managements, and in this process, we get a lot of valuable information from the companies, their top management team, so that all of us can understand their companies better, and which helps all our investors to take a very conscious investment call. And friends, today we got another interesting company which operates in a very niche space and which is going to hit the capital market very soon. The company's name is Ace Alpha Tech Limited. And I have the privilege of having the chairman and managing director, Mr. Gaurav Sharma, with us today. गौरव जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद समय देने के लिए.
Here to connect with you, Avinash ji. It's pleasure.
So Gaurav ji, I think it will be my pleasure to host you because very interesting business, and sir, in this small interview, I am quite sure that we'll be able to get very good information from your side.
I'll try my best, sir.
Yeah. So Gaurav ji, first question which is very elementary. I was just reading your prospectus and understanding your business model. Sir, हमको बताइए हमारा जो business है वो basically software support है. We give support to B2B clients, institutional clients. सर थोड़ा बहुत अपने बिजनेस के बारे में बताइए कि हमारा एक्चुअल बिजनेस क्या है, व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ निश व्हिच वी प्रोवाइड टू आवर क्लाइंट्स, एंड व्हाट इज आवर कंपनीज रोल इन एंश्योरिंग दैट द कस्टमर गेट्स अ गुड वैल्यू एडिशन फ्रॉम आवर साइड. और सर ये बिजनेस आपने कभी शुरू किया, आपकी बिजनेस जर्नी के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Sharma and I am based in Delhi. I began my career in 2004, sir. I joined my family business of commodities broking. So it started in 2004 itself. So in commodities broking, I am, as everyone, I started with doing very basic groundwork and learned the business from ground up. So till 2009, I was in the family business and doing my law graduation as well together. So, and after 2009, I took a break of 1 year because I was in business of finance and had an educational background of law and science in school. So I took a break of 1 year, pursue my masters in international finance. Later, I joined the business 1 year back after 1 year again, and we took memberships of NSC, BSc, NSDL. So we became a proper broking house, having all the memberships and doing also the broking services. But I was seeing clients making money, a lot of clients losing money in derivative markets, and it was a very challenging environment on their side. So I was quite passionate and more interested towards the trading side of the business rather than the broking side. So it was much more challenging and very interesting side. So as I said, I was always interested. So I started trading in options back then, and it was very rewarding that time because there were very less number of players in the market. And so market advanced. Then in 2016, when weekly options were introduced, Bank Nifty weekly options, that was the time I full-fledged, you know, I fully, involved in the trading side and fully focused there. I was mostly doing it manually, as everyone is doing it mostly. Most of the people are doing manual trading. While it was very rewarding, But I quickly realized the challenges with manual trading is, risk management mostly. As you and your investors would also be very comfortably knowing the fact that whenever you are having a portfolio, you don't want to invest in one or two stocks. You want to invest in 20, 30 stocks to diversify your investments and manage risk. So similarly, for me as a trader, I wanted to diversify in doing 20, 30 types of strategies, not only one or two types of strategies to diversify my risk. So, but it was very challenging doing it manually, even though I tried, delegating some work and all these things, but it was difficult. So I needed some kind of automations and some kind of softwares to, execute my different strategies and, so that time there were very standard trading tools available in the market, and none of them could offer the kind of flexibility and the control which was required at least by me. So over next few years, I began building tools for myself, solutions for myself, execution algos, and a lot of things. Although I started very small, but continuously I kept on improving them, and they became very good solutions for me. And in year 2022, when APIs became available, I realized that the solution that I've built for myself can be institutionalized. And there was a gap in the market. Even today, the products and tools available in the market are quite standard and designed for not for handling very large sums of money. For they're not institutional grades. So while they are useful, but they are very standardized. So no customization available, and they're not optimized for speed, co-location, and they're not meant for institutional grade trading setups. So I would say that is how Ace Alpha Tech was born, and we started building customized front end trading solutions for high volume traders, I would say. So, and to institutional traders, proprietary desks, many brokers are managing their own amount of money or in their pro accounts, and anyone who needs speed, flexibility, and decustomization is our client. So this is how we started, and so the edge we have is bringing together the real trading experience that I had and the the tech execution capability that we have.
Okay.
Because a lot of tech companies you will see do not have a lot of real world trading experience, and a lot of trading companies will not have the real world tech experience, execution experience, that sense. So this is a bit of about us.
Well, I think very nicely mentioned by you, Gauravji. Gauravji, now tell me one thing. What is the role of Arica Securities in our company? I believe that it is a corporate, kind of one of the promoters. So, sir, इसका क्या role है हमारी company में? Is this a captive customer for us, or what kind of value does Arica bring on the table? Sir, इसके बारे में बताइए.
They are not a customer. They are early investors and promoters of the company, and they brought in extensive market experience with them, and they played a role in initial standing up of the company, especially during the conceptual phase and when we were just setting up that time. So they're not our customers, and well, no direct clients. While there have been relationships at the promoter level, but there have not been any direct client engagement or commercial transaction between Ace Alpha and Arica.
Okay, fine. Understood. Gauravji, you said that now you have institutionalized the front end setup for trading, high speed trading. सर करंटली हमारे कितने रिटेल इंस्टीट्यूशनल मोटा मोटी कस्टमर्स होंगे, कितने कस्टमर्स को हम लोग केटर करते हैं?
Sir, most of our clients are institutional clients. Some of them are brokers also, proprietary desks also,
Okay.
but it's overlapping. So we are not handling any retail clients, and our product is also not for mass retail. It's not a off-the-shelf mass retail product. It's a very focused product, not for high speed particularly, as you said. I will like to correct it, for high volume traders
Okay.
who
Understood.
are handling large amount of money, need diversification, and need deep customization in their solutions in their trading. And I would also like to clarify that we are not into OMS, the order management system. We are just building the front end, and
Correct.
all of our energy is focused towards that only. So no energy towards OMS, only specialized, customized, front end solutions.
Okay.
So we have around 36 number of clients right now.
Okay. Okay. They understood. Gaurav मुझे बताइए, I just wanted to understand, since you said that you're not in the order management system segment, you give specialized software support, I mean, for high volume kind of trades. Sir, what is the average ticket size? Like, is it a customized product for every customer? जैसे strategy चाहिए या जो उसका requirement है, what is the average ticket size when you talk to a customer? Like, this is obviously built in based on the customer requirements, I understand. So, please correct me if I'm wrong. तो सर इसके
No,
बारे
no,
में
no. I'll tell you, sir. See, it is the design of the product itself is derived from the needs of the customer. It's not designed by us. We are just helping them execute whatever they need to execute and however they need to execute, whatever the conditions they want to enter or exit the market or stop their positions or, you know, exit from the market. So it particularly depends on the client, the design of the software. Second part, the pricing. Pricing is because as from my explanation so far, you would know that it is not a off-the-shelf product. It is like each project is different for each client. It depends, on their infrastructure. So we have to make modification according to their infrastructure to increase the efficiency of execution of their trades. So each product is different, and the pricing depends on the expertise which is required, the time which is required to make their project, and the large volume, the grade, the setup, the grade or volume of the setup that they have.
No, understood. गौरव जी मुझे सिर्फ इतना बताइए, प्लीज टेल मी दैट सर typically how is the revenue booked by the company? For example, let's assume that a new customer comes and asks you to do some customized requirement. सर ये कैसे बिलिंग होता है, मंथली होता है या वन टाइम होता है, एंड हाउ इज द रिन्यूअल, how is this done? Please tell us on this.
So most of the billings are divided in two parts. One is the customization that is required,
Yeah.
and it is one time only mostly, and then the
Okay.
maintenance and support system.
Okay.
But a lot of clients not don't prefer taking a one time expense in their books. It is they want it to be divided, and most of the clients prefer monthly or quarterly billings.
Okay. Fine. ठीक है. अच्छा गौरव जी, now tell me one thing. See, we all know that today the capital markets are a huge markets, are almost 90-95% तो trading ही होता है. जैसे आपने बोला कि almost 4-5% is actual delivery, but the real volume is obviously from the trading side. Now tell me one thing, sir. In our kind of company, what is the kind of opportunity you see over the next 3-5 years? What you have started is obviously a very promising area, but हमारे लिए सर ये कितना बड़ा मार्केट अगले 3-5 साल में हो सकता है, एंड हाउ आर वी प्लानिंग टू कैपिटलाइज इट?
So, Zira, as you correctly said, the 90-95% volume is in trading. And I would also share one number with you. 90%, although it is 95% plus, but conservatively 90% plus of NSC's volume is in options trading. And most of our clients who need, customization and our software are into option trading only. They're not into uh, stocks trading or something. They're mostly into options. So even though it is difficult to assign the exact, exact number to the market size, but the volumes are higher in the option trading, and adoption of technology is growing day by day. As 10 years back you have different software. Now anyone, even a retail person, can just trade through their mobile phones. So the adoption of technology is growing. API based and strategy driven trading is increasing rapidly among the mostly among the institutions and proprietary setups. All of them want to be technologically advanced and ahead of the market. And today, even if 2,000 or 5,000 active institutional or proprietary traders, that's a very strong and addressable market that we are looking ahead. We are only serving clients right now. So even though we are focused, we are on our own, only very focused niche. Still, the addressable market is very strong and big.
अंडरस्टूड गौरव जी दिस मीन्स प्लीज करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग इसका मतलब ये है कि we are planning to target proprietary kind of traders institutions basically that basket of clients to basically increase our business going forward, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Exactly, sir. Exactly. Those are our clients existingly. And also going ahead, we want to acquire more clients.
अच्छा सर, नाउ कमिंग टू द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि सर अभी इतना अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर कस्टमाइजेशन आपने किया है, सर व्हाट इज द एम्प्लॉय स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द कंपनी एंड गिव अस सम प्रोफाइल ऑफ योर एम्प्लॉय, लाइक हु आर द मेन ब्रेन्स बिहाइंड योर कंपनी सर। वो ऐसे लोग जो ये काम करते हैं, ऑब्वियसली यू ऑपरेट इन अ निश, so what is the kind of preparation you have done in so many years to prepare your employee base, and how many people do you have, what is the profile, sir थोड़ा बहुत इनके बारे में बताइए।
So right now we have around 25, 26 clients, number of employees. And approximately, not exactly, I don't know, but yeah, 15 to 16 of them are in core technology and tech and development roles. They are engineers and infrastructure specialists and product support team. So mostly their roles are overlapping since we are not a very big corporate. So yes, sir. Rest of the team is admin, marketing, etc.
Okay. Understood. So basically, this is how the team is being built. Sir, now tell me one thing in terms of the competitive intensity. Sir, India में तो हर चीज का competition होता है. Anything succeeds, you got 5 people who do the same thing. Sir, मेरे को बताइए, हमारे business में, हमारे धंधे में, sir, what is the level of competitive intensity in the niche in which we are operating? Is it like many people are there or few people only are there? Sir, इसके बारे में बताइए.
As I told you that because we are operating in very focused niche, a very particular area. So that is why it is very difficult to pin very apple to apple competitor. Still in the listed space, there is 63 Moons. It's a well-known
Yeah.
name in the market.
Okay.
But
Okay.
they're quite different from us because their focus is largely on OMS systems that we do not build, and
Correct.
most of their energy is towards that. And they are running a licensing model, and their revenue seems to come primarily from licensing only.
Correct.
We, on the other hand, are not into OMS. We are purely on the front end side, customized and high performance trading front end we are building. So
Correct.
it's not an apple to apple competition that we are.
अंडरस्टूड। बट मैं पूछ रहा था कि सर अनलिस्टेड स्पेस में ऐसे कोई है जो आपको कॉम्पिटिशन देते हैं और यू थिंक दैट यू ऑल हैव कवर्ड फेयर अमाउंट ऑफ ग्राउंड, नाउ पीपल नो यू इन द मार्केट बाय एस अल्फा, सो सर हमारे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी बड़ी तो है, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ आवर प्राइसिंग, आवर कॉम्पिटिटिव एज, आर वी वेल अहेड ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन, ये मैं पूछ रहा था।
So sir, I'll tell you companies in related space, but I will leave it on to you if they are a competitor or not. So in related space, there is some websites, for example, Algo Baba or Algo Test. These are the softwares, some softwares which provide, but they're off-the-shelf tools. They provide algorithmic trading. You can use functions and code your own strategies without knowing how to code.
Correct.
So you can use these websites and make your own automated trading and algo trading platform. Use their website,
Okay.
but they are not built for deep customization. They are not optimized for handling high volumes
Okay.
and low latency environments. When you need speed, flexibility, and deep customization, uh, I'm sorry, they will not be the right platforms to go for.
So, no, understood. Gaurav ji, now we just wanted to understand, sir, if one were to look at the non-financial part of your business, like as you said, you build niche systems for customers. Sir, हमारा value add क्या है? Like, what is the value add which we offer to our client? Like, they come to us, on a repeated basis, although it's a one-time sale, but sir, customer हमसे जुड़ा रहता है, तो ऐसा क्या हम अलग करते हैं दूसरों के comparison में कि हमारा काम लोगों को पसंद है? People come to us, they like our software support. As you said, high volume trading is something which you all have, developed an expertise. So, sir, 2-3 qualitative points अगर आप share करें कि how I yourself in a different way and in a better way.
So the biggest differentiator is that we are not offering a standard product, right? So we don't have a fixed off the shelf product. That is the biggest differentiator. We are delivering fully customized front end solutions built specifically around what the client is, you know, needs and what is the infra that they use, what are the strategies that they run. So it is built around that. Qualitative factors would be the focus niche. So we are not trying to serve everyone, right? We are not a mass product or for retail product, not for like a large number of people. We are focused only on high volumes, serious traders. And there is no extra software layer which, for example, I gave you the example of related names like Algobaba and Algotes. They add an extra layer in between your trades, messages going to the exchange and coming from the exchange, the order messages. So there is no that extra layer when you're working from us. We will uh, you know do the software. All the hardware is at the client end itself, client's office space, not in our office space. So plus we have, as I told you initially also, the combination of the expertise we are holding is not only coding or any software company. Like I come from a completely trading background, and I have been trading day in day out options only. So that this combination of trading and technology which we are providing is rare. I'm not saying no one can do this, but yeah, obviously it is rare. And the business wise also, it is a sticky relationship, I would like to say, because once a client starts using our system, it is embedded into their daily operation, because they're trading, their internal teams are using those softwares daily for trading. So typically they don't shift you know
Correct.
element. So the business will continue to keep coming. Market is dynamic, constantly changing, constantly
Correct.
evolving. So their
Correct.
strategy will not be the same that they built 2 years ago or 1 year ago or even 6 months ago, right? They will keep dynamically changing it with market, be like the market changes, like
Correct.
that.
Okay, I think Gaurav ji, now one question which came from your answer now. So you said different strategies are used by different traders at different point of time. So सर हमारा जो बुके है गौरव जी, हमने कितने strategies अभी तक डेवलप किए होंगे ये जरा बताइए.
So sir, actually, we are not directly building those strategies, and clients also won't like to share their strategies with us.
Okay.
We build them the parameters that they need.
Okay. Understood.
Right. So I'll give you an example for some technical indicator or some technical data specific requirement comes out. So they might use the same data specific points for different numeric numbers.
Okay. Understood.
Yeah. So each parameter will enable the client to make 10, 20 more strategies.
Correct. Understood.
And then the permutation and combinations can be immense.
नहीं, understood. I think now got the point. सर अभी financials के बारे में बात करते हैं. We generated a very good revenue in FY24, that is almost 14.87 crores. Sir, last year number was just about 4.89 crores. And the profit after tax also has shown a very sharp increase, almost 10.31 crores. Sir, just wanted to know basically what was the main reason? Was it because of more number of customers, sir, more number of orders, more strategies designed for customers? Sir, ये ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 करोड़ से सर 14 करोड़ हो गया है, प्रॉफिट भी मेरे ख्याल से 10 करोड़ हो गया है। तो सर इसकी मेन वजह क्या थी?
सर मेन वजह दो फैक्टर्स हैं इसमें. एक तो एग्जैक्टली है जैसे आपने राइटली बताया कि नंबर ऑफ क्लाइंट्स इंक्रीज. Secondly, technology is a very interesting space. When someone wants to invest, they need to trust you first, right? So they trusted us initially. Then they're using it. They like our quality and service. Then they're increasing the business with us only, and they are more relying more on us. So
ओके,
business grew from existing clients as well as we got new clients.
ओके, समझ गया। सर दूसरी बात मेरे को पूछनी थी कि हमारे धंधे में नॉर्मली द मेन कॉस्ट तो एम्प्लॉयी कॉस्ट का होना चाहिए ना? आई थिंक दैट इज़ द मेन कॉस्ट व्हिच गोज़ इन योर एंटायर कॉस्ट ब्रेकअप, दैट इज़ द मेन ब्रेन वर्क्स। तो सर मैं देख रहा था लास्ट ईयर सर 14 करोड़ के रेवेन्यू में 50 लाख का हमारा एम्प्लॉयी कॉस्ट है। सो डू यू थिंक दिस नंबर विल इंक्रीज बिकॉज़ इट सीम्स टू बी प्रीटी लो, यू सीम टू हैव गॉट वेरी गुड पीपल एट वेरी गुड प्राइसेस?
Sir, very initial stages, the employee cost was low because I had already built the solutions for myself, and I could use those, whatever I have built for the customers also. A lot of it, not the whole thing, uh, but that the number of 50 lakh is when the team size and the number of clients was also very low, and we have scaled little bit since then, and right now our costs are monthly around 11 to 12 lakh rupees per month, salary cost,
ओ,
and mostly expenses are towards this side only, sir.
नहीं समझ गया, तो एम्प्लॉयी का ही कॉस्ट होगा। सर लेकिन मेरे को एक बात बताइए, आपने बोला कि आपने खुद स्ट्रैटेजीज़ डेवलप की, बहुत अच्छी बात है। सर नॉर्मली इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग प्लीज़ करेक्ट मी, सर नॉर्मली दिस इज़ लाइक अ सास बिज़नेस, यू डेवलप द प्रोडक्ट एंड वन्स द प्रोडक्ट इज़ रेडी यू कैन स्केल इट अप। तो इनिशियली जब आप प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करते हो तभी तो आपको खर्चा करना है। आपके कोडर्स के ऊपर, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर, लोगों के ऊपर। एक बार परफेक्ट हो गया सॉफ्टवेयर उसके बाद तो आप जितना चाहे उसको स्केल अप कर सकते हो। So, sir, how much money have you actually invested in this business? Because it's not visible on the balance sheet till now.
Yes, sir, mostly the investments are towards the in developing the infrastructure and hiring the team. It's the see, and the intelligence, and a lot of other things are not visible on the balance sheet. But it doesn't only need a lot of money, but also needs a lot of expertise, to build something like that.
नहीं,
Yes.
ठीक है, समझ गया। सर FY 25 का कुछ प्रोफाइल आप दे सकोगे? अभी FY 24 तो आपके प्रोस्पेक्टस में मेंशन किया है, लेकिन FY 25 तो आपको भी पता है सर मार्च खत्म हो चुका है, नाउ वी आर इन द मंथ ऑफ जून। सर एनी बेसिक नंबर इफ यू कैन शेयर विद अस, व्हाट इज द रेवेन्यू, व्हाट इज द करंट ईयर प्रॉफिट दैट इज FY 25 प्रॉफिट?
Sir, FY 25 revenue was around approximately around 16 crores,
ओके,
and the PAT was around 11 something crores.
ठीक, समझ। सर ये धंधे में ऑर्डर बुक सिस्टम चलता है या बेसिकली नाउ यू गॉट अ रेगुलर सेट ऑफ क्लाइंट व्हिच कम इन, लाइक हाउ डू यू पीपल प्लान योर स्ट्रेटजी, लाइक मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट तो होगा ही, आपका सेल्स पीपल होंगे, बट सर नॉर्मली इज इट लाइक अ टिपिकल काइंड ऑफ कोल्ड कॉल बिजनेस और यू गेट इंक्वायरीज अपफ्रंट? सर कैसे धंधा कैसे आप मैनेज करते हो, यानी हाउ डू यू प्लान फॉर योर नेक्स्ट 3 months 6 months गोइंग फॉरवर्ड?
I'll tell you, sir. So very honestly, we are not operating on a traditional, as you said, traditional order book model, and our work is largely contract based, right, and AMC driven. So these are the main, pillars of the revenue. And however, if we look at the nature of ongoing client relationships, we positively estimate around 60% plus revenue is a recurring business, recurring nature, coming from maintenance support and all these customizations.
सर अभी मेरे को बताइए, व्हेन वी साइन अ न्यू कस्टमर और मे बी एन एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर, सर ये ऑलमोस्ट से 40-50% ऑफ द कॉस्ट इज इट टेकन अपफ्रंट और बेसिकली इट कम्स अक्रॉस द नेक्स्ट 12 मंथ्स? यानी मान के चलिए 1 करोड़ का अगर बिलिंग है तो आप उसको कैसे रिकवर करते हो? डू यू टेक अ एडवांस ऑफ से 20-30% एंड देन द बैलेंस कम्स एवरी मंथ, एटलीस्ट द इनिशियल कॉस्ट न्यू कस्टमर हु कम्स?
Since we are very, a new business and in a very growing stage, we are very flexible towards it. And
ओके,
our clients agree to give us monthly basis or quarterly basis,
ओके,
majorly.
ओके, समझ गया। तो मोटा-मोटी मेरे को यही पूछना था सर, हमारा जो वर्किंग कैपिटल साइकिल है, हम कस्टमर को कस्टमाइज़ करके देते हैं, बाद में कस्टमर हमको पेमेंट देता है, तो हमको सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयी का कॉस्ट मैनेज करना है, राइट? बाकी तो मेरे ख्याल से
Infrastructure, then there is infrastructure requirement also.
ओके।
So, yes, sir.
So basically I think it means the working capital cycle should be fairly, I mean, not very high, it should be a reasonably low cycle क्योंकि once your existing customers start paying you, आपके एम्प्लॉयी कॉस्ट तो रिकवर होगी प्लस
Monthly होती है.
हाँ, ठीक। Sir, now what is the kind of growth which we can expect? Because now 25 is over, sir. Without giving a number, अगर आप सिर्फ ग्राउंड लेवल पे आपके सेल्स टीम्स, मार्केटिंग टीम क्या बोल रहे हैं, प्लस यू मीट लॉट ऑफ कस्टमर्स, सर व्हाट इज द फील यू आर गेटिंग? कैपिटल मार्केट्स आर ग्रोइंग, ट्रेडिंग मार्केट में भी अभी आजकल बहुत ट्रेडिंग वॉल्यूम बढ़ रहा है। सर व्हाट इज योर असेसमेंट? अगले 1-2 साल आपको कैसे लग रहा है? व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ markets which you expect to, how will these benefit us? If trading increases, obviously our business grows. But then from the institutional side, what is the kind of signals you're getting? Are you getting some very positive signals कि अगला साल और आने वाला साल भी इतना ही अच्छा रहेगा हमारे लिए?
Yes, sir. Right now we are focusing on some low-hanging fruits that we rightly see in our front, which is the servicing as a complete package, including the hardware services. So post the IPO, we are planning to invest in hardware, and since not a lot of clients are very, I would say, excited towards investing a lot in expensive hardwares, which requires to run your operations very smoothly. So we are planning to invest in hardwares and provide services as a full package. So it will enable us to gain more revenues from existing clients also, and also it will enable us to gain new customers.
Cool. So basically, in this case, please correct me if I'm, wrong. You mean that you will be able to offer the equipment also along with the, customized
Yes.
software.
Yes, sir.
Some-
Yes. Yes. And it will be much more easier for us also in development side, because if we know the hardware beforehand, so it's easier to develop accordingly.
Understood. Sir, now most important question for today, sir. We are planning to go public. So tell us how much money we are planning to raise from the capital market. And sir, main objective क्या है? How do we plan to utilize the money?
As I told you, sir, main objective is towards hardware and hiring itself. So we are planning to raise around 50 crores from this issue. It's not exactly 50, it's below that. It's somewhere around 47 to 49.
Okay.
And 76% is fresh issue, and rest is the OFS.
Okay.
The OFS portion is for meeting the regulatory requirement of minimum IPO size of 26%. Is not like a promote exit. It's mostly because of the regulatory reasons.
Okay.
And the main objective, as I said, is the investment required in towards infrastructure, and then hiring also, because when we have more number of clients and more hardware to manage, we need more talent and to support the client demand.
Exactly. Sir, last question now. Sir, we have seen COVID now. Hopefully everything has come back to normal, sir. भगवान की कृपा से सर सब कुछ ठीक लग रहा है. Markets are also doing very well. Sir, in our business, गौरव जी बताइए सबसे बड़ा risk क्या है हमारे लिए? As you have started this business from your own initiating efforts, sir, what is the most important risk you always monitor every day, and how you manage to keep this risk well under control?
In current stages, there's we are not facing a lot of risk right now, because our business is stickiness in our business is very strong. As I told you, the recurring numbers. Going forward, we are scaling. Then the key is that we're already mindful of is maintaining the consistent quality, and maintaining the same kind of support services which we are doing as we scale. So we are already very careful and mindful of this, and planning to handle it by focus hiring and having strong internal systems. So yes, sir.
सर एक आखिरी सवाल गौरव जी आपने आपके बारे में बताया लेकिन सर टू हैंडल ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस फॉर योर मार्केटिंग फॉर योर सेल्स फॉर योर R&D सर आर विच आर द अदर पीपल हु आर एक्चुअली बिहाइंड द कंपनी सर इनके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Sir, we don't have a very large marketing team as yet. As I told you, I started in business very long back, like in 2004. So it is 21 years, more than half of my life is towards share market, stock market only. So, and also being a broker, like there are associations, you meet a lot of people, and I'm from trading, so I meet a lot of traders. So once I started initially, uh, having two or three initial clients, they only introduced me to their traders that okay, this trader wants to trade with us, but he needs some customized kind of software we are not able to give him. You come along. So we are helping brokers to get the clients also in that sense, a large client. So marketing team have been small so far, but going ahead, we have plans to cater large number of clients. So we are having in place plans to cater those large numbers by good focused marketing team. And since we are not a very retail kind of product. So our client is also very different. So we need to be, we wanted to one in right areas, not like brand building or marketing like that.
Correct.
So yes, sir.
Very, I think the very nicely mentioned by you, Gaurav ji. So sir, best wishes to you, your entire management team. और सर पब्लिक इशू के लिए भी बहुत बहुत बेस्ट विशेस. बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Ash.